Hello everyone. This video is about why does the moon not fall to the ground? When an object falls down towards the earth under gravitational force alone, we say the object is in free fall. Then why moon doesn't fall to the earth? So before moving to this topic, first we will do an activity. So for doing this activity, take a piece of thread, tie a small stone at one end, hold the other end of the thread and spin it around. Rotate it rapidly. Then note the direction of the stone. Release the thread. Again note the direction of the motion of the stone before the thread is released. So you can observe here the stone moves in a circular path with a certain speed and changes the direction at every point. The change in direction involves change in velocity and acceleration. As you can observe here, as the stone is moving, the direction is also changing. The force that causes this acceleration and keeps the body moving along the circular path is acting towards the center. This force is called centripetal force, meaning center seeking force. In this absence of this force, the stone flies off along a straight line. This straight line will be a tangent to the circular path. So here, a tangent means a straight line that meets the circle at one and only one point is called a tangent to the circle. Straight line ABC is a tangent to the circle at point B. So in this activity you can observe that as the stone is moving, the direction is also changing. The body is moving along the circular path and is acting towards the center. Now, why does the moon not fall to the ground? Or also we can call it as why does the moon not fall to the earth? The moon doesn't fall to the earth because of the balance between the gravitation force between the two bodies and the moon's velocity and distance from earth. Look here, this is the path of the moon. So here is the earth and here is the moon. Moon velocity direction is tangent. If t equals to 0, then t equals to 1 should be here along the direction of velocity. So this is the path of the moon. You can observe here. This is the path of the moon. Moon velocity direction is the tangent. If here the time is in 0 seconds, then here it should be t equals to 1. So if it is here, then it is in the center. Then if the tangent is here, moving in the center. So in every second towards the center, this object is moving. It is moving towards the center of earth. Moon is moving towards the earth because of gravitation force. If there is no gravitation force, then it won't be moving. So because of the balance between the gravitation force between the two bodies, that is moon's velocity and the distance from earth, the motion of the moon around the earth is due to the centripetal force. The centripetal force is provided by the force of attraction of the earth. If there were no such force, the moon would pursue a uniform straight line motion. So what I want to tell you is the moon moves in a circular orbit around the earth. If there were no centripetal force, the moon would have pursued a uniform straight line motion. The moon moves in a circular orbit around the earth due to the centripetal force provided by earth's gravitation field. So like I said in the activity, the stone moves in a circular path. As the stone is moving, the direction is changing. There is a change in direction. So the change in direction involves change in velocity or acceleration. Here also the moon moves in a circular path with a certain speed and it keeps on changing the direction at every point. You can observe here. The moon keeps on changing the direction. It moves in a circular path. It is moving towards the center of the earth because of gravitation force. The moon's distance from earth allows it to maintain a balance between falling and escaping. The moon's velocity keeps it from falling into earth. So it is a velocity of moon that keeps it from falling into earth. If the moon's velocity were faster, it would escape earth gravity. And if it were slower, it would fall to the earth. So the mass of the moon equals to 7.34 into 10 to the power of 22 kg, and mass of earth is equals to 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. So the moon doesn't fall to the earth because of the balance between the gravitation force between the two bodies, that is the moon and the earth. If there were no gravitation force, then it won't be moving in a circular orbit. Also, in our solar system, all the planets go around the sun. By arguing the same way, we can say that there exists a force between the sun and the planets. Newton concluded not only Earth attracts the moon, but all objects in the universe attract each other. This force of attraction between objects is called gravitational force. So this video was all about why does the moon not fall to the ground. I hope this video was understandable to you.